Hello, Pepper.
Hello, I'm Pepper. I can help you find the perfect Bluetooth speaker. First, what's your budget? It can be around 20, 50 or 100 euros.
50 euros.
Sure. Do you prefer a better sound quality or a louder speaker?
A better sound quality.
Okay. Do you need it to be waterproof?
Yes.
Okay. So I think the best for you would be the UE Boom 3. It has an awesome and powerful sound with a rugged design. Plus, it is waterproof.
Thank you, Pepper. Let's have a look at how we created this buying assistant for Pepper Robot. First of all, let's open PandaSuite Studio, your visual interface to create apps and interactive presentation without any coding. Just create a project and add all your visual elements that will be required within your screens. This is really easy. You just need to drag and drop your elements directly in the screen and to design your screen exactly as you want. If you want to go one step further and to add interactive effects, you'll get access to PandaSuite components. There are some visual components such as pop-up, drag and drop, video player or scrolling area. And there are also non-graphical components such as image recognition, GPS or authentication. All those components are really easy to use. You just need to import your content and to play with interactive effects that are provided. In this list of components, you'll get access to PepperChat, which is a component for you to trigger events and to create action based on Pepper Robot. What I suggest is we have a look and we create some action on Pepper Robot. For this first example, let's trigger an animation on Pepper Robot just by clicking on this element, this visual element in the middle of the screen. First of all, let's choose this element. Let's create an action. And for that, I'm going to interact with my component, which is placed in the foreground. When selecting the PepperChat component, I'll get access to all the actions that are related to Pepper Robot. I can trigger marker, make Pepper say something, set a variable, start or stop QiChat, and also start a QE animation. For this animation, you have a predefined set of animation that you can use based on Pepper Robot. For this one, and for this demo, I just choose the funny, and not the furious, the funny animation that you can choose. I just validate, and I can try it already on the Pepper Robot. Click Save and open PandaSuite Viewer directly on Pepper tablets. Now let's see how to create more advanced action to create a real human interaction between the Pepper and the user. So first of all, I would like to start PepperChat by clicking on this button. I just click on this button and I choose to interact with the PepperChat component, select the chat and choose the Start QiChat action. Then, what I want to do is that while the Pepper Robot is speaking, I want to display the right screen according to what Pepper is talking about. So first of all, I've created two states, one that is based on the budget and the other one which is based on the quality, showing the different options that the user has. So the idea will be for me to display the right state when Pepper is talking about budget or is talking about quality. To do that, I'm going to need a topic file, which is a file that will be used in PandaSuite to trigger action based on the dialog. Let's have a look at the topic file that were used for this demonstration. When I open this file, I can see all the dialogue of paper and also some bookmarks that are start, budget, quality, waterproof and recommend that will be used directly in PandaSuite Studio to create action or to trigger events. If I go back to the studio and to the PaperChat component, if I double click on the PaperChat component, I get direct access to all these bookmarks. I can trigger action and create events based on those bookmarks. To do that, I just select the component and I get access in the action window to all the events that are related. So if I want, for example, when Pepper is talking about budget to display the right screen, I choose the event budget bookmark and then I choose the change screen state to go to the budget state. I can do the same by adding another trigger based on quality bookmark to go to state quality and to show the right information to the user. Just like before, I can validate, I can save my project and go test directly on Pepper Robot.
Hello, I'm Pepper. I can help you find the perfect Bluetooth speaker. First, what's your budget? It can be around 20, 50 or 100 euros.
50.
Sure. Do you prefer a better sound quality or a louder speaker?
Better sound quality.
Okay. Do you need it to be waterproof?
I hope this demo was useful for you to understand how to create no-code apps for Pepper Robot. As you are using the PaperChat component, you can use any other component of PandaSuite Studio and synchronize them together to bring all kinds of crazy ideas to life. To go further, please note that there are many resources to guide you through in PandaSuite Help Center, but also in SoftBank Robotics Developer Portal.